Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the views actually. Okay. So custom view creation for Microsoft. I mean Power Bills. Power Bill is a entity name, and in Power Bills we are like creating this kind of views. All Power Bills and pending Power Bills and paid Power Bills, and also modify existing views, sorting on views, and change order and modify the filter criteria. Okay, so after that, create the customer information form. Anyway, this is one entity that you have to create it. Okay, so and also field behavior and form, how to hide, unhide, and make the read only field, how to make it read only field. All these things today we are going to cover. Okay, so first thing is creating views. First, there is no Power Bill, right? So we have to create a Power Bill entity. Okay, so let me check. Might be I might have Power Bill entity. Maybe in my previous sessions I might created one Power Bill entity. Let me check it. Okay, training. Okay, this one is okay, and okay. So other environment I have selected, and now I'm going to check whether I have Power Bill or not. Power Bill is also one app. Like earlier we created SSC mark list. Same way, Power Bill also one app actually. Okay, view means it is a kind of display which you want. For example, all power bills are there, right? So we have around only one power bill, that is paid power bill is available. And if you select all power bills, unpaid also will display, but there is no data. For example, paid power bill is there, only one power bill is there, that is displaying. And active power bills, okay, active, all active power bills will be displayed. Okay, so that means you, if user wanted to filter views, okay, they can filter it here in the main page itself, here itself. Okay, they no need to they no need to suffer, or they no need to, sorry, they no need to struggle, right? So directly they can go and they can select their view. Okay, so anyway, let me share you. First, we need few more power bills that I will create you, but after that I will show you. So first, what you need to do is you need to create one power bill entity. Okay, the fields like this only: customer name, bill date. Okay, so this is auto. Power bill auto number is there, but that will come automatically. Customer name, for example, this will come anyway. Anu, and bill date today. These fields you have to select. You have to create. Payment status pending, and bill period. Any date you can select, and due date, total amount. Okay, and save and close. So now Anu bill is displaying. Okay, so similarly, all these fields. Okay, whichever fields you are seeing, all fields you have to create in the Power Bill entity. So earlier how we created SSC mark list by using ChatGPT, similar way you have to create a Power Bill entity also. Okay, go to ChatGPT and type Power Bill entity fields. Then you will see all these fields. You create it. Okay, once you create it, okay, you publish it and you see whether it is displaying or not. That is prerequisite. So now I am going to show you views. Okay, for example, as I said earlier, See this pending, right? Anu, one bill is pending. Okay, pending bills. Okay, there is some filter, maybe filter is not correct, so that's why it is not showing, but we can filter it out. That is not a problem. I will show you how to filter, how to create views and all. So go to your you know development environment, select your entity. There are some views. I am removing them, all of them I am removing, because I want to create a new views for Power Bill. Okay, Power Bill entity I have already there, and I am removing views. So views will be available under views. Okay, here delete, delete. Okay, just delete view. So deleting will take time. So what I will do is I am going to create a view, new view. Okay, so if you want to create a new view, click on new view. So this is October month, right? October month, all bills, OCT, October, all bills. Okay, and testing, click on OK. So this is the view name. So but what I want is, I want some views, tables, right? I mean columns, right? So only as of now, only one column is there. So all bills columns I want to add it. So you can select add column first. Okay, which column you want? For example, I want customer name, and I want bill amount, bill status, and I want payment status, and total amount, and also bill start, bill end date. These fields only I want in the column, I mean in the view. Okay, but if you see bill ID, it is showing like length is it is very lengthy. So we don't need this much length for bill ID. So what you can do is, you have to change the length. How to change it? Select check change properties here, and here 75 pixel is there, 50, 25, 125, all these pixel sizes are available, and you have to select desired pixel size and select 100. So now you can see it is minimized. And similarly, whichever column you want you know increase or decrease, you select that column and go to change properties, and select your width of the pixel size, and you can do it like this. So now all power bills means there is no filter. October all bills will display. Okay, so but we have to filter out, right? Edit filter criteria, there is a option. Okay, so here you have to filter. What is your filter? Status, right? Status, bill status, I think. Bill status. Okay, status, reason, total amount. So bill status, let me check it. Okay, uh, see, this is the bill, this is the application. Just I'm checking. So bill and status. Okay, status, payment status. So payment status, if I select pending, paid, overdue, then all bills will display. So one filter I am creating, nothing else. Payment status, payment status equal. Okay, what is that? Equal means, so it should be equal. What equal? What status we have to select? Overdue bills and paid bills, pending bills. Okay, all status we are selecting and clicking on OK button. That's it. So this is the filter criteria, and now save and close. First save, and after that save and close. So October all bills will be displayed. So next I want only paid bill. Okay, I want only paid bill, October paid bills. So what I can do is I can select as save as only. I don't want save close it. I want save as, save filter only. So here I am renaming it. Instead of all bills, paid bills, October paid bills. Okay, see, October paid bills will come, but filter will be changing. So now edit filter criteria, and you have to select payment status equal to only paid this time. I don't want pending. I don't want overdue. Only paid bills view I want. Select OK. Select OK. Okay. And pending bills. This is paid bills, right? Pending bills also. Again save as. Here instead of paid, pending bills. Pending bills. Okay. Click OK. And next edit configure the criteria. Edit filter the criteria. Payment status equal to, instead of paid we have to select overdue, pending, and click OK. Select OK and save and close. This time save and close. Okay, next see, anyway save and close will work, but before that I want to tell you configure the sorting. Okay, how the sorting will work, this one. So power bill id I want assigning order. If you want descending, you can select descending. Not only power bill id, any column you want assigning or descending, you can select it. Okay, now I am selecting descending order. And also here this is not needed, I think. Then by descending order, click OK. Okay, power bill id will display descending order for pending bills only for pending bills. Okay, save it and save and close. Finally save and close. So we have done, but thing is you have to publish it first. Once your customization is done, then you have to publish it, right? So this is the solution. Views we have created, you can see views. October all bills, October paid bills, October pending bills. 3 views I have created. And next select power bill entity. Publish it. Publish. And it will display under training module only. You can see it is selected. Publishing the customization. Anyway, it is a cloud application, right? It will take some time. So just minimize and go to your application. This one is your application. So next inspect element and here refresh it. Select empty, cache and hard reload. This is hard refresh. So hard refresh always will give quick display, you can say, and a quick refresh also. So anyway, it is refreshing it. Now you can you can write like a customer name. Anyway, here the customer name is a linked entity that I will tell you later. For example, customer name new Bhavani, for example. So forget about this one, it will linked entity, it will come from another entity. Bhavani, and I will tell you how to do this one. Customer name Bhavani and bill date, any date you can select. There is no logic at all presently. And now paid, okay, and remaining things you can save. Paid bill, okay, it is generated. So what I want is I want views, okay. So go and this one Bhavani is not displaying. Anyway, I will show you October all power bills. Okay, Bhavani is displayed, paid. Okay, payment status is paid. So these are all power bills as of now, all status power bill. Some records might not have the payment status, maybe that's why some records are not displaying. Anyway, that's fine. Okay, and next paid bills. Now only paid bills will display. See, now it is paid bill, but pending, why it is displaying, I will check. Maybe the filter issue. Okay, I will check it. Paid bills and October pending bills. Pending, only pending is there. But here you see paid bills and pending bills also displaying. Maybe filter issue. We'll check it now. Okay, go to views, October batch, October paid bills, and check the filter. Okay, edit the filter equal to, yeah, pending is also selected. That's why it is displaying, right? So now it is a paid bill. Yeah, maybe save option was not correctly done. So that's why it is displaying. Anyway, you can remove them. Pending, remove it. Overdue, remove it. Click OK. Click OK and save it. First save and save and close and publish it. And now go and check. So now only paid bills will be displayed. Okay, now go and check the application. This is the application and refresh it. Hard refresh, always all hard refresh only. Now you can see October paid bills. Only two bills are displaying. Okay, this is how we can create the filter. But last thing, pending bills also. In the pending bills, okay, pending bills only this bill is available. But bill ID should be descending order, I think. Okay, be descending order. Anyway, bill ID is not displaying. Edit the column. Edit the column first. Bill ID is there, but anyway, it is not displaying. That I have to check it. Why it is not displaying? Power bill auto number, right? So this will give the number. Okay, anyway. See, now you can see October bill, pending bills. Just edit the power bill auto number, some column. We have to add it. Power bill auto number column, close it. You can select it. We can add columns and we can remove columns from the main screen itself. See, power bill ID, only one ID is there. But you see, this is the end. Okay. So descending order. It is a descending order, it will come. Okay. So if you want assigning order, then assigning. Anyway, 2, 3 records, if you have it, then you will understand clearly. Okay, for example, paid bills are there, right? Paid bills, I want to check it. Go to the dev environment again and change it. This is the dev environment. Go to views, October paid bills, descending order. You can select, or all power bills. We can select all power bills. All power bills. So we can add column, right? Column name, something like auto, something is there. Auto number, yeah. Okay, auto number. This one, if you want, you can move like this. Arrows are there. Power bill auto number. You can move till the first, and next all power bills, and sorting option. I am doing it now. Sorting power bill ID or auto number, right? This should be descending order. I want select descending order and click OK and save and close. Then publish it and go to the power bill September and publish it. Publish is mandatory. And go to the application. This is the application, and anyway, just inspect elements and refresh it. Hard refresh. Hard refresh is also mandatory for every customization. Click OK. So all power bills, right? All October all bills. Now you can see descending order 761. Okay, like this it will come 765 descending order, and also this column is displaying. And the next thing is, if you are clicking on new, see this power bill auto number should it should automatically it is generating, but we are able to enter some text. I don't want to enter any text here because it is automatically generating. So I want to make it read only, this field, right? I want to make it read only field. And also one more thing, if you observe it, bill id column is also there. Bill id also I don't want. Okay, bill id I don't want. Anyway, views we can select and we can remove it from the views, but I want to make this power bill id, power bill auto number should be grayed out, because when you are saving it automatically auto number is generating. How to generate auto number, next sessions we are going to learn. But now I want to disable this field. How to do it, or grayed out. And also, if you want to enable or disable, how to do one field. Okay, that two things we are going to cover. So go to the solution. Okay, this is the solution, right? Power bill solution. Now go to forms. This time you are going to forms, not views. And main form, you have to select main form, because in the main form only our columns will be displayed. The power bill auto number is available. This is the column. I want to make it read only. So what you need to do is double click on that column and see, visible by default means it will visible. If you unselect it, it won't visible. Okay, that is visible and invisible. So now, but what exactly I am going to do is, I want this field read only. Okay, make it a read only field. That's it. Field is read only. That's it. And click OK. Okay. And anyway, if any field you want, you can hide and unhide. Okay, that is up to you. For example, custom field is there. Anyway, bill date is not this due date is available. Which field I don't want? Payment status, end date, bill date is there. So this field I don't want to. Double click it, and visible by default is there. Okay, you can select visible, or if you want to lock it, okay, you can lock it. For example, this power bill should be locked, not only read mode. I want to lock. Okay, just lock it and click OK. This just I am exploring the options. And owner field, already it is visible by default is removed. If you select it, it will display, otherwise it won't display. Click OK. And anyway, these are all the options that are available, and save it. Okay, so now this is locked, and also it is not only locking, it is read only mode, and publish it. This power bill ID is not mandatory, just remove it. I will remove it. This one not really required. Okay, what I will do is I will hide this field. Already auto number is there, I don't want this one. Anyway, it is taking time. See, I don't want power bill ID. Okay, what I want is I want to hide. Already it is hidden, I think. Okay, anyway, already it is done, and publish it. Publish and save and close. That's it. Changes, and next power bill entity we have to select, and we have to do the hard publish. Okay, here another publish is also available. You can publish it, and then you have to check it. So go and check in your application how it is displaying. So this is our application. So now it is not grayed out, but you have to do the hard refresh it. Then only it will come. See now auto bill. It is a grayed out and also locked. Okay. So next I am creating Ajay or something Manoj record. Bill date you can select it, and say and save and close. Okay. So we have covered one field how to hide and unhide, and also lock and read only. This is a locking, and we have already locked, and it is also read only mode. Okay, so this is comes under field behavior. Okay, so field behavior also we have covered. And the next thing is customer name. See now this customer name is coming from another entity. So this is a customer information, one more entity is there. Okay, from this entity only the names are displaying here. Okay, in the power bill, if you click on new and customer name, you are selecting from another entity. So these are all the another entity names. Okay, see, you can see Vijay Kumar, then you can select, and you can customer info also you can see in the bottom. So how to do, like how to create a linked entity. This is called linked entity. Linked entity means you are in Power Bill, but you want to pull the customer names from another table or entity. Then how would you do it? So that maybe tomorrow we can discuss. Okay, this is enough today, and tomorrow we can discuss. So what we covered today is like views topics we have covered. Okay, so how to create views, and how to arrange the views also, columns how to arrange we have covered, and filters in the views also we have covered, and also sorting also we have covered, and how to hide one field also we have covered, and also how to make read only also we have covered, and how to make it locking option also we have covered. See, now you can see locking option. Okay, so these topics we have covered, and tomorrow linked entities how to do we are going to cover. So that's it today. Thank you.